Hello everybody, welcome to Severe Weather Update. I want to do a real quick video because there is a severe weather event already in progress. Today is April the 10th. It is around 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, and we have a severe weather potential outbreak occurring in the Louisiana and southern Mississippi area and stretching into portions of Alabama a little bit later on. So let's get started. As you can see, that's the moderate threat shown in the red area is where the threat is greatest. That's 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. If we look at this from a tornado perspective, there's a 15% likelihood, which is pretty high in the red hatched area, as well as a 10% in the yellow hatched area of a tornado of EF2 or greater strength, striking any 25-mile location within this hatched area. So anywhere from Louisiana all the way into the Florida Panhandle and southern Alabama, you have a threat of tornadoes today. The greatest threat, though, is in the red hatched area, which is already in progress, and we will get to that right away. And I will show you that there has already been a PDS tornado warning for a large damaging tornado on the ground at 8:30 a.m. this morning in portions of Louisiana, near the Louisiana-Mississippi northern border of Louisiana and southern border of Mississippi in the St. Francisville area. I have not looked to see if there are any damage or casualties as a result, but as you can see, this was a pretty damaging tornado, PDS, particularly dangerous situation. It's the only one that I've seen so far today, but there may be more to come. You can see the tornado outlook shows the same area, the red hatched area in the southern Mississippi area, and I will show you that is already going on right now. So if we look at the current radar, this is Mississippi. You can see north of New Orleans, you get into Mississippi, you can see there's severe thunderstorm warnings already in effect and many storm chasers just north of New Orleans as the storm system is moving. And I'll turn it on so you can see the movement of the storms as they are progressing into the Mississippi area. Right now there are no tornado warnings in effect according to Radar Omega, but that will change as the storm systems progress into the Mississippi area. Let's take a quick look at the HRRR model. This is about where it is. Let's go to 15Z is about where it is right now. In about 2 hours it will be noon, and you can see the supercells in the extreme eastern portions of Louisiana, which is pretty close to where they are now, entering into southern Mississippi. Looks like around 1 p.m. might be the peak in the southern and eastern portions of Mississippi. That's 18Z. And 2 p.m. entering into Alabama. 3 p.m. really firing up in portions of Alabama and into the Florida Panhandle by 4 p.m. So that looks like the timing here. This is an event that's already in progress, and therefore I don't do this for a living, so I normally get these videos out in the morning, and the severe weather doesn't approach until the afternoon, but right now we already have it in place. And there is a tornado watch until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, likely to be extended eastward until 2 and 3 p.m. for portions of eastern Mississippi, but then into Alabama and the Florida Panhandle as the day goes on. So, but for right now, I think this is the only tornado watch in effect. But tornadoes are likely in this area. Conditions are favorable for it. The Cape and the instability in the atmosphere favors tornadic development today. Anyway, I wanted to get this video out. I'm sure most people in this area are already aware of it. If not, let them know if you have a relative that does not watch TV or go on the internet, because they need to have a tornado plan in place today if they live in the southern portions of Mississippi and in portions of Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. Thanks for tuning in, and be safe, everybody. Take care. Bye.